Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will show you how to fix Chrome freezing issues. Follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. Step 1. Click on the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the browser. Step 2. Go to Settings. Step 3. Navigate to the System section. Step 4. Disable the option that says Use hardware acceleration when available. If the first solution didn't work, here's an alternative method. Solution 2. Step 1. Launch Chrome and select the menu, three dots icon. Step 2. Choose Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Scroll down and select Restore Settings under the Advanced section. Step 4. Tap on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Step 5. A confirmation dialog will appear, providing details about the components that will be restored to their default state. Click Reset Settings to continue. By following these steps, you can effectively fix Chrome freezing issues and enjoy a smoother browsing experience. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Stay tuned for more helpful content.